Horizontal channel balers from Bramidan offer you a very large capacity, continuous loading of waste, automatic bale tying, and the most compact design on the market. The horizontal channel baler can be used for cardboard and soft plastic. The baler can be started manually or equipped with a light barrier, which starts the machine automatically. You can fill in your waste continuously through the very large filling opening. You can choose between different types of hoppers. The upper and lower wires are tied around the bale automatically. The baling channel adjusts automatically to give compact bales and constant density. You can adjust the bale length. This gives you a flexible output. The finished bales are pushed onto the bale slides, ensuring a rational handling. Our HC30 has a capacity from 1.5 tonnes per day. It has the most compact design on the market because the cylinders are placed on the side. Our HC50 has a capacity from 3 tonnes per day. You can buy our HC50 with a high-speed option, which gives you even more capacity.